Choosing the perfect tech stack is hard. As your application grows, so do your expenses. Whether you're managing data, running servers, or picking the right tools, it's easy to overspend without realizing cheaper options out there. In fact, developers, especially startup builders, waste nearly 40% of their server costs due to inefficient choice of external services, which is why we've created Underflow.
So to specifically visualize or give you a demonstration on how Underflow exactly works in optimizing your choice of tech stacks and external services, we're going to give you a little bit of a demo. So Underflow is a command line tool, so you'll be using the command line interface to interact with this tool. So all you have to do is, first of all, you will have a repository you want to analyze, so a code base you want to analyze, and here we're picking semgrep's, one of semgrep's code repositories. So we're going to copy this, and then we're going to use Underflow, copy the repository identifier, and then you have to input a third argument on how much monthly active users you expect your codebase to be receiving. So that measures the traffic in your codebase. And for example, here we can just say 200,000 maybe, and then we can just hit enter. In one very simple command line code. And now what's doing is that it's scanning your codebase and trying to extract the external services you're using and dependencies, your paid dependencies that you're using. And here it also makes a backend API call to our database and our backend services to try to optimize come up with an optimized plan for the choice of tech stack or external services. This process takes some time. And yeah, and finally, last but not least, it generates a dashboard.
So on this dashboard, the first thing you can see is right in the middle, we have actually achieved a 23.2% estimated increase in savings and runtime costs simply by using our tech stack, which identifies which libraries to use in order to save. So we've gone from 28 cents per month to a much lower cost of 21.5 cents per month. We've also generated a detailed technical report by our AI assistant on which libraries to use, as well as a summary on the best ways to handle these new changes in lowering costs. We also have detailed metrics on traffic and traffic to cost ratios, all to prove that our tool can identify the most crucial changes to make to lower runtime costs for your products. Thanks so much, and this is Underflow.
This is Underflow.